Besties, welcome back to Queen Jasmine's kitchen. Today I'm bringing you a rich, flavorful and spicy dish, curry spicy stew. Try this different taste of stew on Sunday and you and your family will really enjoy it. Stick around as I take you through the simple steps to making the perfect curry spicy stew. Let's get cooking. For the recipe, I'll be using my tomato paste, chicken, seasoning cube, chicken seasoning, bay leaf, curry, salt and onion, curry leaf, vegetable oil, blended fresh tomato and fresh pepper mix, and plantain to bring the whole thing together. It's optional though. First, I'm pouring my blended tomatoes and pepper mix into a clean dry pot. I'll let this boil for about 10 minutes until most of the water dries up. This step is important because it helps remove excess moisture and intensifies the flavor of the stew. Once it is nicely thickened, we will move on to the next step. Stay tuned. Now that my tomato and pepper mix has thickened, I will take it out and set it aside. Next, I'm adding my chicken into the pot and seasoning it with powdered garlic, powdered ginger, powdered pepper, and seasoning cube. This will infuse the meat with rich deep flavors. Okay, then I'll give it a good stir and leave it to come to a boil, allowing the natural juices to release. Once the juices is out, I'll pour in 2 cups of water and let the chicken cook properly for about 10 minutes until it's nice and tender. This step ensures the meat absorbs all the seasoning and stays juicy. First, I'm adding vegetable oil to the pot and letting it heat up. To enhance the aroma, I'm adding some salt. This little trick helps the stew fragrance spread all over the vicinity. So, if you are making stew and your stew is not, the aroma is not spreading, this method is just for you. Next, I'm adding chopped onions and letting them fry properly for about 1 minute. This step is one of the secrets to making a great stew that many people overlook. Onions release their sweetness into the oil, which gives the stew an amazing depth of flavor. Trust me, don't skip this part at all. Now that my onions are nicely fried, I'm adding in my tomato and pepper mix and stir frying for about 1 minute to wake up the flavors. Next, I will add in my tomato paste and give it a good stir to deepen the richness of the stew. Now it's time to add more flavor. I'm going in with bay leaves, powdered curry and thyme spice. These spices will give the stew a bold and irresistible taste. Keep stirring to let everything blend well. And now for the star of the show, curry leaves. This is what gives the stew its unique aroma and special taste. I will stir fry everything properly until I see the vegetable oil floating on top. That is how you know, that's how to know your stew is well fried and perfectly dry. Our stew is properly dried and full of rich flavors. It's time to bring everything together. I'm adding in my chicken stock to enhance the taste, followed by my cooked chicken and some fresh fish for extra deliciousness. I'll give everything a good stir and let it come to a boil so all the flavors can blend together beautifully. After about 5 minutes, the stew will be perfectly thick, flavorful and ready to serve. Just look at how rich and inviting it is. This recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing food tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this out with your family this Sunday. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.